Millions of Americans are about to see their credit scores drop, and most of them have no idea it's coming. But let me go ahead and say something that might make a lot of you uncomfortable. Your credit score might be in danger right now and you don't even know it. Not because you're doing something wrong, but because the entire system is starting to crack. I'm talking about people maxing out credit cards, people missing payments, people pulling money out of retirements just to survive. And when that starts happening at scale, it affects you even when you're doing everything right. So I need you to do me a real quick favor. I want you to drop a comment right now and tell me, are you carrying a balance on your credit card? And yes or no, just be honest. There's no judgment here, because what I'm about to show you is going to explain exactly why so many people are getting stuck and why it's about to get worse. Now, I'm gonna break this video up into 7 very important parts that you do not want to miss. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, part number 1, the debt spiral is already starting. Let's start with something simple. Credit card debt in America just hit $1.28 trillion. Let me repeat that, $1 trillion. That's not just a big number, that's a warning sign, because here's the part that most people don't understand. Debt itself isn't the problem. It's how fast it's growing and how expensive it becomes. Right now, the average credit card interest rate is around 20%. So let me break that down real quick. If you're paying $5,000 on a balance, you're paying about $1,000 in interest a year. Let's repeat that again. You're paying about $1,000 a year in just interest. And most people, they're not paying it off. They're carrying it month after month, which means the system is doing exactly what it's designed to do, keep you stuck. Now, part number 2, we're going to talk about why people can't escape credit card debt. Now, here's where it's gonna get deeper, because about 60% of people with credit cards carry a balance. Yes, 60%. That means the majority of people are living in revolving debt. And I really want you to think about this. So answer this in the comments. Do you feel like no matter how much you pay, your balance barely moves? Because that's not an accident. That's how interest works against you. You're making payments, but the interest is eating most of it. So you feel like you're making progress, but you're not. That's what I call the credit trap. In part number 3, I'm gonna talk about the debt trap is getting worse, because we need to talk about this. Now, let me show you why this is about to get even worse. Delinquencies, meaning people are missing payments, and they are going up fast. Credit card delinquencies have doubled in just a few years. Let's put it up on the screen so everyone can see this. These are the different types of loans by their different types with delinquencies in 30 days. As you can see, the blue line right there represents credit cards. As you can see, from 2022 to 2024, the massive spike, and it's slowly creeping back up. It dropped a little bit, but then it spiked again. Now remember, that one is by 30 days only. Now let's put up the 90-day delinquency one also. As you can see right here, again, the blue line represents the credit card delinquencies by 90 days late. As you can see, it's hovering right above 6%. This is pretty bad. It's getting worse. That is not normal. That means more people are falling behind. And when people fall behind, banks tighten up. They lower limits, they increase interest rates, and they deny approvals. So even if your credit is good right now, the environment can still affect you. That's why you need to be paying attention. In part number 4, I'm going to talk about why the system is starting to crack. Now let's zoom out for a second, because it's not just credit cards. People are pulling money out of their 401ks at record levels. Let me translate that for you. People are taking money meant for the future just to survive today. That's not normal. That's pressure. And on top of that, retirees are going back to work. Imagine working your whole life, finally retiring, and then having to come back because you can't afford life anymore. That tells you everything you need to know about what's going on right now in the economy. Now, part number 5 is another huge one that we need to talk about. Student loans are a complete disaster right now. And of course, that means we're going to talk about something that is absolutely out of control. Student loans. Over 42 million Americans have student loan debt. And right now, 1 in 4 borrowers are delinquent. Now let's put the chart back up on the screen right here so we can actually see it. By 30-day late, it's above 14%. That's insane. Now let's put up the 90-day chart of delinquencies, and it's still up by 14%. Look at that massive spike. Of course, student loans is the red one that says student loans on it, but for those who can't follow along for some reason, it's pretty crazy. That's massive. These delinquency levels mean that they are behind on payments. Now, why does this matter to you? Because a lot of you are probably saying, I don't have student loan payments. That doesn't mean anything to me. Because payment history makes up over 35% of your credit score. So if millions of people are missing payments, we're about to see a wave of credit score drops. And when that happens, everything gets harder. Getting approved, getting lower interest rates, getting housing, everything. Now, jumping into part number 6, they say the economy is good, but I want you to look at this. Now, here's the part that doesn't make sense. We're being told inflation is low. Wages are growing, unemployment is low. But let me ask you something real quick. And I want you to drop it in the comments. Do you feel like your money is going farther or disappearing faster? Because the data I just showed you does not match what people are actually experiencing. Debt is up, delinquencies are up, people are struggling. So either the data is missing something or we're being told a version of reality that doesn't match real life in America. Now, final part number 7, we're gonna talk about why your credit score is actually at risk. Now let's bring this back to you because this is what matters the most. When more people start missing payments, credit systems react. That means higher interest rates, stricter approvals, lower credit limits. And here's the scary part. Even if you're doing everything right, you can still feel the effects. And that's why right now, protecting your credit is more important than ever. Now, yes, I understand. There's a little bit of relief right now because tax refunds are a little bit higher this year, around $3,800 on average. Some people are catching up, paying things down, breathing a little, but let me be very clear. That is temporary. Once that money is gone, if nothing else changes, the pressure comes right back. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with a 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Brandon, Brandon's credit score went up 185 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And Ashley's credit score went up 218 points after just 2 rounds with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget about Julio. Julio's credit score went up 266 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. DisputeBeast link is going to be pinned at the very top of the comments and in the video description for anyone that needs to fix their credit. So here's my question to you, and I want real answers in the comments. Are you in a better financial position today than you were 2 to 3 years ago, or worse? Because based on everything we're seeing, a lot of people are struggling. And if you're one of them, you're not alone. Last part's the most important, but here's the difference. You can either ignore this or you can start making moves right now to protect your credit. Because the people who understand what's happening early are the ones who win later. And if you want me to break down exactly how to protect your credit in this environment, make sure that you subscribe because I've got a lot more coming, and trust me, you're going to need it. And if you have any collections, charge-offs, or negative items that you need to delete from your credit reports, make sure to watch this video right here because it's gonna show you how AI will do all the work for you, mail your letters, and it comes with the 110% money back guarantee and a free credit analysis to see exactly what's hurting your credit and let you fix it instantly. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.